In this video we're going to demonstrate how to post a payment on account. You generally post a payment on account when you receive a deposit from a customer, or you make a payment to a supplier and you haven't yet entered an invoice. To start, we open the bank accounts window, select the relevant account, and then choose either customer receipt or supplier payment. In this example, we're going to post a customer payment on account. In the customer receipt window, you need to choose the relevant customer, in this case A1 Design Services, and then click OK. As you can see, there are no outstanding transactions on the account. So we're going to specify the date, and we'll just accept the current date, enter the amount that we've received, and if you have one you can enter a reference. In this case we're just going to enter deposit. You then click Save, and then a confirmation window appears to advise that there's an unallocated check balance of the amount that you've entered, and do you want to post this as a payment on account, and you just click yes, and that's it done. You've posted a payment on account.